Good afternoon, everyone. So, this is in front of you. This is my special way for learning and studying other languages in addition to English. I also follow this way while I am studying English and French, but this is the most effective way ever to help you to memorize some new vocabulary. I have been studying Hebrew for a very long time, by the way. I have been studying Hebrew for only 2 years, by the way, and this is my third year for studying Hebrew. I think it's more than 3 years, by the way, because we are about to start a new year, 2025. Um, um, when you decide to learn a new language, it's a very difficult decision, by the way. But I have minimal comprehension of the Hebrew language, and also I know many basic phrases in the Hebrew language. But we can divide the language into many parts, by the way. Like we can talk about birds, we can talk about sports, we can talk about the kitchen, we can talk about the world, the fashion, we can talk about fruits, vegetables. We can talk about many things, by the way. So I decide to divide what I am learning in Hebrew to make them in a separated videos, by the way. So now I would like to introduce you birds in Hebrew. I know some good or some I know many names of birds in Hebrew, by the way. This helps me to make a simple sentence in this language. For example, if I would like to talk about a parrot, this means in Hebrew to key. So I can say, give me an example for a very good or a simple sentence, such as, this. I like parrots, so أني أحب التركي. أني أحب التركي. أني لا أحب التركي. أني لا أحب التركي. The differences between all the previous sentences is about what we call it conjugation in English for the masculine and the feminine, okay? So let's get started here by saying these names. So birds in Hebrew means tzipurim, 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 tzipurim. So this means what tzipurim here? Tzipurim, tzipurim, tzipu, tzipurim. אני אוהבת ציפורים. אני לא אוהבת ציפורים. ציפורים ודגים וזוחלים, whatever. Here, to key, to key, to key. ציפור, ציפור, ציפור. Notice, ציפור, ציפורים. The plural here is plural masculine. ברבור, ברבור, ברבור. עטלף, עטלף, עטלף. טווס, טווס, טווס. יען, יען, יען. Penguin, penguin, penguin. It's a similar pronunciation to the English language. Penguin. عايت, عايت, عايت. Also known as, in the same language, nature, nature, nature. Nates, nates, nates. ينشف, ينشف, ينشف. أغيب, 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 أغيب. So all of these are the names of the birds in Hebrew, which I know. Also, I know their names, by the way, in English. Parrot, so birds, parrot. Bird or sparrow, sparrow, sparrow. Swan, swan. Bat, peacock, ostrich, penguin, eagle, falcon, owl, crow. Also in French, I know by the way, for example, oiseau, la chauve-souris, le pélican, l'autriche, le penguin. That's all only I know in the three languages, and thanks a million.